First stage in the manufacturing of a coir wood is the prepreg impregnation sheet process. That means, we will form a sheet impregnated or coated with the phenolic resin. For that, we will distribute the fibers into the needle felt form, and we will impregnate it by the resin by either buying a spraying technology or by a dip coating technology. By this technology, we will use only the required quantity of the resin for the wood production. That is the beauty of this prepreg impregnation technology. Only the required quantity of the resin will be laminated onto the or coated onto the coir fabric. The picture showing the prepreg impregnation process, we can see in the left hand that the coir needle felt, it is coming in the roll form, and these sheets are fed through 2 feed rollers, and it is coming to 2 sets of skews rollers. The one set of the skews roller is connected with a resin carrier fabric that is dipped in the resin bath. The resin will be kept in the resin bath. This fabric will move through these rolls, and the required quantity of the resin will come with the resin carrier fabric, and this carrier fabric will come in contact with the coir needle felt while passing through the skews rollers, and the excess resin will be squeezed out while it is passing through these skews rollers. Then it is after this squeezing process, it will go to the pre-drying stage. Then the liquid part will be evaporated, and these sheets can be converted into the wood form. The video shows the hot composite coir felt impregnation process. We can see that the needle felt materials are unrolled. It is passed between 2 skews rollers. It is connected with the carrier fabric. Now the coir needle felt have been coated with the required quantity of the phenol formaldehyde resin. It is the coated fabric. Now we are moving to the hot pressing. The prepreg sheets are cut into the required size. Depending upon our requirements, we can cut into the required size and stacked one over the other. The number of layers are decided on the requirement of thickness and density. Now it is the hot press assembly method. The coated materials are loading onto the hot press, compression molding press. We are loading this required number of sheets. We can use a multiple daylight press for better economy purpose. We can use a multiple daylight press also. We can control the thickness by providing spacers into the required thickness. Now the sheets are pressed under required temperature and pressure to get the required sheets. The video shows the unloading from the press. After pressing, the sheets are taken out. This is our coir wood sheet.